guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. Can't do it, you can't do it. So what we are sitting here waiting on now, guys, is for my sister to come out with her notary commission. This is live. I happen to be free today. Well, actually, I'm not really free. I've been working on my phone. So I'm working on a translation for a client. I had to get some a birth certificate translated from Spanish to English for someone for immigration purposes. I'm working on an apostille that is going to Nicaragua. That person has a lot going on. They need somebody in North Carolina. If anybody listening in North Carolina, I got somebody supposed to be working on it. So I'm still waiting on them. But if you're listening from North Carolina, email me at info@notaryeducators.com. info@notaryeducators.com. I need somebody in North Carolina. I'm doing part of it here in Georgia. The people have moved to North Carolina, so they need part of the apostille done there. Yes, can I do all of the apostille? I could, but I'm not going to put my client to send it to me. I'll send it back. Send it to me. Send it back. I'm just going to make it simple for them. I'm going to do the Georgia part. I'm going to get somebody else to do the North Carolina part. Jasmine says, wow, busy over there. Yeah, it is busy. It is busy. Busy where, Jasmine? Are you talking about in Georgia? So I'm waiting on her to come back out with her paper. It don't usually take that long to get your notary commission in Georgia. So for those that are listening, it don't matter what state you're in. Check out my book, Start Your Notary Business. It's not that complicated. I got my sister reading the book from beginning to end. She's not getting any special treatment, y'all. She is learning this business like each and every one of you, the long way, no shortcuts. Because I eventually want her to help me in the business. And I'm so excited that she is learning. Yeah, I know my niece is in the business. I helped her. My nephew, I helped him get his commission. Our other trainer, Angela, I helped her with her loan signing agent because she didn't really want to do that part of it. So I got the receipts, y'all, just in my family and friends alone. I got another couple friends I helped start. They do like the signing service and stuff on the back end. I got another couple couples that I've been helping. They're just doing regular notary. Nothing, special, but they're just doing regular notary work. So your girl, start with your family. That's what I be telling y'all. Get your boyfriends and get your husbands and get your sisters and your mothers and fathers and whoever could be a notary. Get a whole family thing going. Get a whole family business going. So my nephew's no longer doing it, but y'all know Alexis is. The other trainer here, she's still doing it. She got her notary business and work with notary educators. I'm hoping my sister here, Kate Denise, will be able to, do her thing. What kind of questions do y'all have? Jasmine said, oh girl, yeah, Jasmine, I'm busy, honey. That's why I'll be telling y'all that your girl will be working. Yeah, she said, yeah, you are listed everything you working on. Oh yes, honey. Yeah. Jasmine says she got her fiance in the training. That's good, Jasmine. Yeah, girl, get that money. He could be a witness and he could be a fellow notary, buddy. But yeah, so I'm doing a translation, working on an apostille for my state and helping my client for something else. And I didn't tell you the other piece. She also needs travel consent forms notarized. She has 2 children a year and travel to Nicaragua. So I guess they're moving to Nicaragua. So she needs 2 travel consents done, 1 apostille, 1 translation services. I teach all of that in my Notary Educators Business Success Program. So please check it out. We are waiting on my sister to come back with her commission. I'll walk a little bit so y'all can see where we at in Gwinnett. Yeah, but I'm waiting on so I'm helping my client also with Like I said, translation services, apostilles, and she needs two uh, travel consent forms. So this is Gwinnett. Let me show y'all. I don't like to put people in my videos. I just don't. But this is the Gwinnett office where we come and get our commission. So some states go directly to the Secretary of State. Georgia's a little bit different. We have an extra middleman in there. I just finished eating a whole bunch of Raisinets. We went to the movies last night and saw Downton Abbey. Any Downton Abbey fans? Any Downton Abbey fans? Any Downton Abbey fans? Let me show y'all where we at. See? We're at Gwinnett, smoke-free campus. Waiting on her to come back. This is so exciting. So anyway, any Downton Abbey fans? So I got a chance to, we had bought Raisinets. I went to Publix and bought my own candy. I went to and bought my own candy, and we had bought the popcorn from there. It was one of those movie theaters where you can dine in, but the food there is not good anymore. It used to be when it first started, but it's not good anymore. The sun is so bright, even though I love it. I love the sun. So anyway, we're waiting on her to come back. So how about Downton Abbey? Do you guys watch it? Let me see. Yeah, so like I was saying earlier, get your family members on board. Sometimes people say, well, I can't find a witness. Do your family know you're a notary? Let them know, hey, I might need you to be a witness for me. When you start your business, that's why I always say, get a witness list. Go ahead, now's the time. Now's the time. And let them know, hey, I'm going to pay you. Because, that's the first thing people want to know. Well, you making money? I need to be making some money. You got a few people that'll just help you. I got one friend, and she'll help me for free. One friend, Lynette, what's up, my girl? She'll do it for free. Everybody else, I'll just go ahead and say, I'll pay you, or if it's lunch, some kind of way I'm going to compensate them. But, yeah, hold on, we waiting to see. Waiting on her to come back, and I'll do a quick little interview with her. But I am so excited for her. She'll tell you her whole little story. Yeah. So this is the thing about social media. When you out here live with your camera, people looking like, what is she doing? Who is she? What is she talking about? So I've embraced being a content creator. I wear a lot of hats. It's hot. I wear a lot of hats. I'm a notary. I'm a notary educator. I'm a notary mentor. I'm a notary. I do specialty documents. I do translation services. I do I-9. I do ink fingerprinting. I don't do remote online notary because it's not legal in our state. So I don't do remote online notary because, again, it's not legal here. I don't do wedding officiant is my other thing I don't do. But I have a course on it. I know how to do it. It's just something I've chosen not to add to my business. That man wanted me to say hi to him. I could have said hi even though I was live. But anyway, yeah, so I offer almost 20 different services. Matter of fact, whatever you're going to pay me for, if it's legal, your girl can do it. And as a notary, you'll find that too as you start learning this business. It's a lot of services you can offer. Field inspections. I do field inspections, car inspections, proctoring. That's when you go out and watch somebody take a test. So you get paid for that. So a lot of times we don't know how to use our commission. You get it. You don't know what to do with it. You don't know how to use it. You don't even know how to stamp the paper. You don't know how to start a business. And my sister will tell you when I interview her shortly, she's like, well, Kimmi, it didn't cover this in the book, but she saw it in the notary training from the state of Georgia. Because now we have I think it was 30 or 40 questions. We'll ask her so she had to answer. Oh, you don't know who Downton Abbey is? Then you don't know. Yep, you don't know. I binge watched it a few years ago. With some friends, we were on vacation, and you know how you ain't got nothing else to do, so we binge watched it. They was like, "Hey, you like this show?" I was like, "Never heard of it." I ended up liking it. I came home and finished binge watching every single thing because I had taken a couple extra days off after that.